another product review and description video for you guys. Today we're going to be going over the Focus ST and Focus RS billet shifter cable bushings. These go in at the end of your shifter cable on the top of the transmission in the engine bay. They get rid of the plastic and rubber pieces that are factory equipped. This allows for better shifter feel, like more direct engagement as you go through the gears. And who doesn't love a more direct and more mechanical shifter? It's got to be one of the best feelings in a car to have. So, as you guys saw in the previous videos, these are produced via high-end CNC equipment. We have a lathe and a mill that we operate these off of. These keep the tightest tolerances possible. Each one of these afterwards is then quality controlled and checked to ensure that you guys get the best possible product. After that, we send these off to plating. They get anodized, and then we follow that up with some engraving on it so that you guys have that nice TV Performance Products logo displayed in your engine bay. As you can see right here and right here, we have a set of shifter bushings installed by a customer. You can see that it really cleans up the engine bay, especially if you've got that like open intake look and you can see down inside there. And then, like I said, on top of that, you just get that real mechanical feel as you're going through the gears, and it's just crisp action, man. So hope you guys enjoy that. If you guys need anything or have any questions for me, just let me know.